Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am going to tell you some information about manufacturing flow management. Manufacturing flow management is a key business process that involves the planning, scheduling, and controlling all the activities involved in transforming of raw material into finished good. Ensure goods are produced at efficiently and effectively at the desired quality while meeting the customer needs. Its objective are cost reduction, cost control, quality assurance, flexibility, and customer satisfaction. Its key components are production planning, capacity management, material requirement planning, shop floor control, and logistics distribution, technology automation. Uh, Production planning involves forecasting demand, determining what to produce, how much, when, and aligning production schedules with material availability and labor capacity. Second, the capacity management ensure the production facilities have capacity to meet the demands. Third, material requirement, managing inventory level of raw material and components. Fourth is shop floor control, monitoring and controlling the physical of production of processes. Fifth, logistic and integration, con- coordinating and inbound logistic for timely delivery of raw material. Now, step involved in manufacturing flow management, demand forecasting, production scheduling, resource allocation, as execution and monitoring, quality assurance, and performance analysis. Demand forecasting involved analyzing demands for future. Production scheduling create a mass production schedules that break down demands into specific products. Resource allocation is all about allocating the resources to be efficiently utilized. Quality control and assurance apply and inspection of process control to ensure that quality standards are met. What are the benefits of manufacturing flow management? Some of the benefits of manufacturing flow management are reduce production cost. It reduces the production cost of the goods, enhance product quality and consistency. It enhance the quality of the products, increase production efficiency, better demand fulfillment and customer satisfaction, low quality inventory and level reduce waste, faster response to market changes. Now, what are the challenges faced in the manufacturing flow management? Some of the challenges faced in the manufacturing flow management are demand variability, supply chain distribution, equipment breakdown, labor shortage or inefficiency, complex product design or customization, coordination across the department. Manufacturing flow management is a crucial function for any production-based businesses. It aligns production operation with strategic business goal and customer needs, ensuring optimal use of resources, timely delivery of products, so sustainable growth with increased competition for demand. Customization company but consistently improve the MFF, manufacturing flow management process using data driven decision and smart technologies. Thank you.